You are going to love the 2020 Transit Connect Wagon. The Ford Transit Connect Wagon is working to fill the niche for business and cargo management for deliveries. This 2010 North American Truck of the Year definitely needs a second look if you are looking for a delivery vehicle with more cargo ability and better mileage than a typical van. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, electronic parking brake, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power mirrors, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.